We're headed to the Colonial Zone.
Right.
Getting a little drone footage, Troy. What we doing, man?
We're gonna get some drone footage. Colonial Zone. We out here. We in Santo Domingo.
Just at the spur of the moment, we just decided to come out here and do something. So
Yeah.
let's make it happen. I want to see that drone in action. Everybody, welcome back to the Dominican Route. I am at Classic Cigaros over in Santo Domingo in the Colonial Zone. Make sure you guys come out. Everybody from the United States, come and visit Franklin, right?
Franklin.
Okay.
Clásico Cigar.
And-
Calle Duarte, esquina Conde, zona colonial.
Okay, everybody got that? Thank you. All right, let's go inside and check it out. Okay. Gracias. So, you make all your cigars here.
Preparamos todo tipo de cigarros dominicanos, nuestra pequeña factoría.
Okay. And where's your cigar? Can you show it to me? Is it over here?
Nuestro tren
Okay.
se llama Santa Dominica.
Okay. Santo Domingo.
Santa Dominica.
Santo Dominica. It's
Oh,
extra fine. You have uno or dos? Or, ¿cuánto? You have 1, 2, 3 different.
Different brand, sí.
Okay.
Tenemos La Gloria
Okay. La Gloria.
de Santa Dominica.
And you make that here.
It's
Aquí.
in Mejía.
Okay.
Y tenemos Gin.
Okay. Jeans. Uno,
Mhm.
dos, tres.
Sí.
Okay. So everybody, make sure you come to the Colonial Zone in Santo Domingo and make sure you meet Franklin and his esposa.
Sí,
Yes. Stephanie. Yes. Thank you so much. Gracias. Muchas gracias.
Aquí es lo que prepara es el empuño, que es la mezcla de los diferentes tipos de hoja de tabaco. Hay hoja suave, medium y fuerte.
Okay.
Y aquí él hace el blend,
Okay.
la mezcla de diferentes tipos de hoja.
Okay.
Si quiere fuerte, medium o suave.
Okay. So, medium and strong. Suave.
Medium, sí. Like a medium, light, strong.
Okay. Class.
Different kind.
You speak English very good. You know.
That one, this is
strong.
light.
That's light.
Light.
Light. Okay. This
Light.
is the light. Okay. And medium.
No. Vamos a buscar uno medium. Different color.
Oh,
Different wrapper, different color.
Okay, and this is medium.
This is medium.
Medium.
The dog.
Okay.
This is strong.
Oh wow. Yes. That's the different types. Okay. Muy bueno. And you make everything here. You make everything here
In making is 200, 250 per day.
every day.
Every day.
Okay. Thank you so much. Gracias. Muchas gracias. Make sure you guys come by to Santo Domingo, the Colonial Zone. Come to Clásico Cigarros in Santo Domingo, Colonial Zone. Gracias.
That's nice, right?